You are watching Otero Studios.
Welcome to another video. I got Belle with me today. Today we are going to be looking at the Posca paint markers, the white pack, and then the multicolored fine liners. And then we actually have a couple of these that I picked up from Walmart to test out the Parku permanent markers that I did in a previous video.
And I already did one.
So far, Belle's got this one going on.
Peace.
And just like in the video, it's not smearing, really good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of this paint marker down and then color over it with the permanent markers. So stay tuned and hopefully you enjoy the video. And anything you want to say, Belle?
Our power went out.
Alright, so today I'm going to hold the camera and Belle is going to unbox the first box, which first, just to show here, it is the white 8 markers. What it is, it comes with different tips. In my speed drawing videos, I mostly use the PC1M and the bullet shaped, where is it? This one right here, the PC3M. That's the one I mostly use in the speed drawings. But this one comes with a lot of different ones. I'm excited to try these two because these are really bold. But Belle, if you want to start it off, I'm a little bit out of breath because we were painting on the floor. See this mess?
We have a big one, a medium big one, 2 medium big ones, another like small big one, and then 3 kind of big ones.
They actually tell you what it is, Belle.
Yep.
So if you want to push that one out. So this one is...
On the tip. It's on the cap.
No, right here.
It's on the cap.
So this is Chisel. Well, let's see if it'll autofocus here. It's not focusing.
No!
There it is. So this one is Chisel shaped. So this is like the chalk.
Okay.
This one is Chisel shaped as well.
Kind of chisel shape.
Bullet shape. So this one will be good for the bigger pieces, especially the Charizard that I have planned.
Over there.
No, the big Charizard that I'm going to do on the Super Nintendo at home.
How are you going to draw on that?
This is another bullet shape. So bullet shape is talking about the type of tip. So you see how these tips are more like a bullet. This is a fine tip. This is the brush tip, I believe. Nope, this one is bullet as well. This is the brush tip. This one actually has a cap that you push on and it releases the paint down to the brush. So that one is going to be good for this project.
And we have a smaller one.
Alright, and this one is the pin type. So this one I'm actually going to set aside because I need that one for a project.
We have the really small
And then this is the bullet shaped PC1M 0.7 millimeter. So this is the one that I really like. So these are the ones that we're going to use right now. And then we're going to look at the colored one. So Belle, if you want to go grab that.
I will color Posca markers.
So why don't you show them the box? Nice. Back it up a little bit.
There we go.
So this is the Posca Paint Markers, 8 classic colors. These do not blend. That's why I'm doing a Charizard, because Charizard is pretty flat colored. There's not a lot of blending. So if you want to open
More
that
like
up,
the other Pokemon.
so it opens up right here. There's a flat.
Oh. I got it.
All right.
Okay.
So why don't you run through each color?
We have the pink.
Pin type.
We have the red.
Let me back up a little bit. All right. Red.
Yellow.
Yeller.
Green.
Green. Grr.
Stop.
I'm
We have a
speaking
dark-
in my language. This is Bert.
We have a light
What do you
blue.
mean? What am I doing?
We have a light blue.
Light blue. See, I
have a white?
can't tell the difference between these two.
Light blue, dark blue. Light blue. I mean, white.
White. So this is the pin type. I'm gonna move over there.
We got the black.
Ooh, this is good for lining. So we'll be able to do a lot with the project. So why don't you tell them what we're gonna do with these paint markers?
What we're gonna do is we have little stencils here, and we're gonna use the white markers to put down on this. And then I think Otero Studios is gonna use the paint markers, and I'm gonna use the permanent markers.
So why don't you show us the Parku permanent markers again?
Here are the Parku markers. They're 36.
All right. And in a previous video, I already used these, and we tried them on different surfaces. They worked really well. So I got these plastic moldings. Why don't you hold up each one of the moldings?
We have a rainbow, a cat,
Kitty cat.
owl, like my dad's a night owl, because he always stays up all night, a monkey, ice cream, butterfly, and a dolphin. And my dad, in Hero Studios, is gonna do a sun.
All right.
And
So,
cookie chip monster.
so
aka Brooke.
what we're gonna do is we're actually going to do these real quick. Then once we're finished, we're gonna take a picture of it and then show it to you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. All right. So now we're doing a little bit of a progress shot to see where we're at so far. Say hi, Belle.
Hello.
All right, so let's show them what we have so far. So this is my ice cream that I did.
These are my two white
This
painted
is
ones.
the rainbow, an owl, and monkey. We use the Posca Paint Markers for this, and we're going to color over with the Parku permanent markers. This is my dolphin that I kind of started with, but it wasn't dry enough yet.
I started a butterfly.
Butterfly. Brooke did a monkey and a rainbow. So these are some of the other ones that we haven't done yet.
And I
So,
have two more.
Are you having fun with it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, so we're going to continue on, and then we'll show you the final results. I hope you enjoyed that video with Belle and I looking at the Posca markers and some of the stuff we did with them. This set, I believe, was $29.99, and this one was $49.99. You might be able to find them a little cheaper elsewhere, but definitely recommend these if you're into doing projects and stuff like that. These are the markers that it comes with, and these are the markers this one comes with. Let's see if it'll zoom in there. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to keep it over 9,000. Take care.